English speaking practice. 100 common questions and answer. How are you this evening? How are you this evening?
I'm a little bit tired. I'm a little bit tired.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was fantastic. It was fantastic.
Are you happy today? Are you happy today?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today?
Because I have worked hard today. Because I have worked hard today.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at a hospital. I work at a hospital.
Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was great. Yes, it was great.
Do you have the time? Do you have the time?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Why didn't you call me last night? Why didn't you call me last night?
Because I fell asleep last night. Because I fell asleep last night.
Why did you say such a thing? Why did you say such a thing?
Because I was afraid. Because I was afraid.
Where is the pain? Where is the pain?
I got tooth pain. I got tooth pain.
Does it hurt when you chew? Does it hurt when you chew?
Yes, sometimes it even bleeds. Yes, sometimes it even bleeds.
Are you at home? Are you at home?
No, I'm at my friend's home. No, I'm at my friend's home.
Why did you come home early? Why did you come home early?
Because my mother is very sick. Because my mother is very sick.
Would you open the door for me, please? Would you open the door for me, please?
Sure, let me help you. Sure, let me help you.
Does he go by bus? Does he go by bus?
No, he has a private car. No, he has a private car.
Why did he quit his job? Why did he quit his job?
Because he was starting a business. Because he was starting a business.
Does he live here? Does he live here?
Yes, with his parents. Yes, with his parents.
Does he speak English? Does he speak English?
Yes, he speaks English very well. Yes, he speaks English very well.
Does he speak French? Does he speak French?
No, he doesn't speak French. No, he doesn't speak French.
How does he go to the market? How does he go to the market?
He goes to the market by car. He goes to the market by car.
Does he study English every day? Does he study English every day?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why are you angry with him? Why are you angry with him?
Because he always annoys me. Because he always annoys me.
Why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so sad?
Because I'm little sick. Because I'm little sick.
Is there anything wrong with that? Is there anything wrong with that?
This one is better than the first one. This one is better than the first one.
Why do you need this job? Why do you need this job?
Because I'm jobless. Because I'm jobless.
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Because I'm in danger. Because I'm in danger.
Why did you buy a flower? Why did you buy a flower?
This flower is for my boyfriend. This flower is for my boyfriend.
What does this mean? What does this mean?
It means he loves me. It means he loves me.
Does he know that you love him? Does he know that you love him?
Yes, we love each other. Yes, we love each other.
Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink?
Yes, it would be great. Yes, it would be great.
Do you like Italian food? Do you like Italian food?
I love Italian food. I love Italian food.
What time does the club open? What time does the club open?
The club opens at 10 a.m. The club opens at 10 a.m.
How much are these? How much are these?
It was not expensive, just over 20. It was not expensive, just over 20.
When will you come? When will you come?
About 7 p.m. About 7 p.m.
When does the bus arrive? When does the bus arrive?
The bus arrives at 4 p.m. The bus arrives at 4 p.m.
Did you drive yourself? Did you drive yourself?
No, I took a taxi. No, I took a taxi.
Does your dog bite? Does your dog bite?
Yes, but not always. Yes, but not always.
Does Alex want to have a dog? Does Alex want to have a dog?
Yes, he does. Yes, he does.
What time can you arrive? What time can you arrive?
Please don't wait for me, you can go first. Please don't wait for me, you can go first.
Where will you go on summer vacation? Where will you go on summer vacation?
I have no idea now. I have no idea now.
What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
It's cloudy. It's cloudy.
Does it snow much in the winter? Does it snow much in the winter?
Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe, I'm not sure.
Why don't you go to work today? Why don't you go to work today?
We have a vacation today. We have a vacation today.
Is it going to rain today? Is it going to rain today?
No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so.